Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make the best split pea soup. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 pound of dried split peas, a flavorful ham hock, and some fresh vegetables like carrots, celery, and onion. Remember to rinse and sort your split peas carefully to remove any small debris. This simple preparation ensures a clean and delicious base for your hearty soup. Now let's get cooking. Place your rinsed split peas, the ham hock, and 8 cups of water into a large pot. Bring this mixture to a rolling boil, then immediately reduce the heat to a gentle simmer. Let it cook for about 1 hour, allowing the flavors to meld. After an hour, add your chopped carrots, celery, and onion, along with any desired seasonings, and continue simmering until the peas are wonderfully tender. To achieve that perfect, rich flavor and creamy texture, carefully remove the ham hock from the pot. Once it's cool enough to handle, shred the delicious meat from the bone, discarding any excess fat or the bone itself. Return this flavorful shredded ham back into your soup. For a thicker consistency, simply mash some of the cooked peas against the side of the pot with a spoon. This creates a naturally creamy texture without needing any added thickeners. Finally, it's time to enjoy your homemade split pea soup. Before serving, taste and adjust the seasonings with salt and freshly ground black pepper to your preference. For a lovely presentation, you can garnish each bowl with a sprinkle of fresh, chopped parsley or some crunchy croutons. This hearty and comforting soup is best served warm, perhaps alongside a slice of crusty bread for dipping. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.